Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Dark Pool Algo, and thanks for joining me on another end of the day session. So today is Thursday, September 30th, 2021, and the stock market's going crazy. I wish. No, I just wanted to do a quick video real quick. Every once in a while, I will switch my YouTube account and go check out some other content creators that are out there and just kind of see what's going on. And I have noticed that there are people out there that have thousands of views for some of the most ridiculous things there is, right? It's for real though. Like, let me see if I can find something here. Hold on. So first of all, like the service I provide, I go over a very specific strategy, one that you can make a lot of money on, right? And so I realized that most of the plays that we look at are either mid to large cap stocks. And that's kind of hard for anybody who's just getting into the market, right? I know that when I first got into the market, I wanted to trade penny stocks. Why? Because they're cheap. A couple $100, you could get in, you could try trading the stock market. You know, you probably watch a bunch of videos on support and resistance, moving averages, maybe not Fibonacci when you first get going, but definitely those low floating like penny stocks is where it's at. So before I get into this video, which is going to be, I'm going to do a midweek, actually more, midweek recap, and let's just call it the end of the week. I'm going to do a recap of the stocks that I went over this weekend in my weekend watch list, see where they're doing, maybe look at something for tomorrow. Definitely get prepped. Hopefully y'all will watch this video tonight and join me tomorrow morning, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to stream for about 45 minutes before the open. I've got a commitment to stream the open. I'm going to see if I can recast that to the group's channel that I'm doing that for. Let me find out. If so, I will put out a tweet as to where y'all can find that. So before I jump into it, all I ask in return is you hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, leave some comments in the comment section below of what you guys would like to see, or excuse me, what everyone out there would like to see me do. And I'll definitely take those into consideration. I like to respond to my comments as well. But before I get into it, quick intro, and we'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So yeah, I'm totally torn between just doing like a penny stocks intro to trading, just because I know that there's so many people out there in the penny, like I don't know why on these penny stocks, man, people are just like cuckoo for Cocoa Crisps over these things, man. I don't know what the deal is. I know, I mean, to be honest with you, I did it for a while when I was first learning because I wanted to learn the stock market. I just recently started trading large caps, so I can't really talk too much crap. But the question I'm putting out to y'all is, should I do a penny stock segment? Like, should I do a weekly penny stock segment? Should I include penny stocks in my morning stream? Right? I need the feedback. I feel like the channel needs to grow a little bit and can definitely use y'all's assistance. Okay. All right. Just want to make sure that things are going well. This is the weekend watch list. We went over Billy, Donkey Kong, DraftKings. Sorry, DraftKings. Come on, get out of there. DraftKings, EA Sports, FSLR, and Zoom. So where are they now? I didn't do Lucid, which I should have, because everybody knows I'm in love with this stock. I want more of it. I'm looking for Lucid. Any dips below, like I said, below 25, I'm going to throw a bunch of money. I'm going to throw my kids' college fund at it. I'm in love with the stock. I've seen the car. I've seen the vehicle. I believe it's going to be a Tesla killer, to be honest with you. Mark my words, you heard it first here. Dark Pool Algo came out with the Tesla killer with Lucid, right? As far as Lucid's concerned, it's right out of major demand zone, right? If it can get below that, I'd love to see it below it and come back down and test some of these previous lows. If not, I think that we're going to rip tomorrow. Don't know if we're going to make an all-time high. A little concerned this may be a head and shoulders, or this could be the inverse head and shoulders here, right? Boom, boom, boom. How cool would that be? Inverse head and shoulders to rip mode. I digress. I'm in love with this stock. Okay. However, that's not one of them from the weekend watch list. We went over Billy. Billy. Billy is doing a thing. It is doing its thing this week. Fellas, people, fading off, pretty much fading off for this week. Opportunities to get into some price action. However, as you all know, I usually give you a couple ways with these. Like I'll give you a buy line and a sell line. So let's see, we're Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. We came in here. So I would have done my video here. Yep, above the 200 to go long. You could have got in above the 200. Oh, sorry. Let me just back it up a little bit and get my normal chart up here. Real quick, Trading View and I have come to an agreement. They're going to refund my money, and I'm going to hold off until I get a better deal, right? So Sunday night watch list would have came in showing that we were currently at support. Need to get above the 200 SMA before we go long. We only reached that overnight. I also said that if we broke down below previous lows, which would have been here, right, 69, then could have gone short with Billy, which would have got to give us a great entry on Tuesday. And yeah, that would have been a good move to the downside. All right, what else did we have on there? DraftKings. All right, another similar. Like, there's so many stocks below this 200 SMA. As long as they stay below it, you know, they're good fading opportunities. Once we get above they call it directional 200 SMA for a reason, right? Above 53 for long on DraftKings. Now it's above 50, 49.50. We get above 49.50 on DraftKings. I like it to the upside. Going into tomorrow, we have an opportunity. We are trading at more than 3 ATR. Like, this stock is drowning. It wants to come back to the mean so bad. It's looking for any sort of catalyst for this sucker to launch. Okay, so maybe not tomorrow or early next week, but DraftKings is definitely way outside of its comfort zone. It needs to get sucked back up into at least 54, right? As far as the play goes, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, called here a break over the 50 to go long. I think I probably said this 53 level, right? Currently, if we can get above, let's just call it 50. If we get above this demand zone at 50, we get above that, then we can go long. If not, we can still go further down. Like, there's no stopping us. We did, however, bounce off previous lows. So I think there is a micro demand zone here that we're playing with. Got to keep an eye on that sucker right there. Where's it at? Where's the Doge? The Doge. I'll just call this it. All right, demand zone, supply zone, break above that, we can continue to go long. All right, that was DraftKings. Not doing the best for longs right now, but I didn't really anticipate too many longs. Here we go, EA Sports. In the game. This is the move. All you need is one good trade, right? Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I definitely remember briefing on this one. Break above the 50 or the 200 SMA and get stack positive moving averages, and you can rip. Rippity dip rip. Let's see what kind of move that would have been going into Monday. So if you would have took the play, oh, come on now. So let's see what it popped up Monday. We never play the first pop. We look for confirmation. There's our confirmation candle. And if we would have got out today, look at that. 10% gain in 4 days. In 3 days, $13. You could have, I mean, these are all definitely swings into the next day. Rally, a little pullback to support, swing it overnight, pop, lock, and rally to support. Boom, boom. So EA loves this 50 SMA. This is actually the second time it's touched it this week. It started at the 50, it rallied up, came back and tested it once. Massive rally after that. 134, rally back. This is a kind of a parabolic move that you see that's happening here. Anytime a stock rallies and consolidates, rallies and consolidates. A little concerning today. At the end of the day, we sold off down into the 50, which is previous support at our what? You know the word I'm going to say right now, demand zone. We have a demand zone. Ish. I didn't mark that one up too well. Get back here. Demand zone off that doge right there. As long as that level of support holds, I think that we can see like another move up to 145. 145 is a psychological level as well as previous, a lot of previous action, right there. That 145.15. 145.15 is the point. All right, so get above that, then things start to get a little ishy. Definitely, I think it might need a pullback. May get one more day out of it. However, if it does fade, room down to the 200 SMA, 133.90. Right there. All right, so I've given you EA for tomorrow 2 ways. Just be careful. Don't lose your ass on a Friday. Trying to make up for a shitty week, okay? Sorry for all the swearing. I apologize. I know there's probably some kids around, but don't lose your behind on a Friday to make up for a crummy week, right? All right, next one, FSLR. I bet you this sucker moved. FSLR. First Solar. See what we got. Ooh, looking pretty decent. Looking pretty decent. There we go. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, briefed over on Friday night. All right, so, or Sunday night. Let's see. I said I would have told you to make sure we get above the 200 SMA. There's the line I drew, that 127. Need to break above that. Look what happened when the stock got above the directional 200 SMA, right? It broke above it, used it as support, continued to ride the 8 EMA up, pulled back, consolidated right at the 200 until that 50-200 crossover came into play right here. This is an important level, right? This is a gorgeous, important level. How do I do this? Oh, where did it go? Is it this? Oh, is this it? Yeah, look at that. Major move right here. We got, we basically got stretched out. We got 821.34 stack positive moving average, 50 above the 200, right? We're using that 200 as support. We rallied. Let's say we got in above the 200. You probably would have gotten in a little earlier. You probably would have gotten in right here, but we just got to go with what we say, what we teach, right? We teach to get in above. Oh, come on. I'm not sure how I feel about this tool. See, we got in here. You could have sold out at 1.7. Right. Could have sold out there. Probably would have played to the 144, right, as the target. Come on. Right, so 2.5%, $2.70 move. Cool, nice. Moving on. Zoom. So talk about a failed attempt. There's other stocks I should have picked instead of Zoom. I just picked Zoom because I failed. My bad. However, I did tell you Zoom 2 ways, right? Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I would have briefed on it here, saying above the 200 SMA to long. However, actually probably would have said above 280. However, it never did get above it. Look at the strength of the 200 SMA, people. I'm trying to teach you something very valuable. That 200 SMA is massive support resistance, right? We couldn't get through it. We sold off, right? Rallied, sold off. This rally here today out of this bull flag breakout is probably the best move Zoom's had all week, and it still got rejected at the 200. So going into tomorrow with Zoom, it's a little different story. We were trying to form a little cup and handle. I believe we can get above the 200 SMA, right? As soon as we get above the 200 SMA, we're going to get smacked with some overhead resistance from previous highs and previous lows. So I'm looking like the safe move is way up here above 267.50. That's when you start to get safe. Like we want to revert to 281. Like we really want to get to this 281 level. No, it's not going to let me draw it. That level right there, 275.37. That's the move I'm going to target to. If Zoom does break above the 200 overnight and can come back and backtest and support it, so 265, that 265, 275 move is going to be pretty nice. That is if we can. That's the wrong one, but you get the point. Break above it, pull back, and rally to support. I'm going to draw it one time, and then I got to run. Okay, so we're looking at this. Up, back, rally. That's the move I'm looking for in Zoom. Okay, so 2 out of 5 isn't bad. I've got some tools and some techniques that I'm going to be using for this next one. That's large caps. Now, do I do penny caps or do I do penny stocks? Do I do the, I don't even know a penny stock. Name one. Ride. That's a penny stock, right? Let's see what's going on with Ride. Bearish divergence. Play it down from 8 to 6, right? What's another penny stock? Don't know any. Do not genus, right? Is that still a penny stock? Is it? Does anybody know? GNUS. I remember playing that one. I think that was one of the last ones I played. Yeah, that's a penny stock. You can see how it's traded. Oh, it's ugly. Like, do I want to even waste my time with this? I don't know. All right, I'm going to leave it up to y'all. Let me know in the comment section below if you think I should start doing a segment on penny stocks. With that being said, thanks for joining me at this end of the day, end of the week, a little watch list recap. My name is Darkpool Algo. I'm here every morning, Monday through Friday, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see, what kind of educational material will really help y'all out the best so that I can start doing a video series on it. Y'all want to learn price action? Let me know. Do you want to learn ATRs? Let me know. If you want to learn the basic EMAs, inside bars, stochastics, RSI, Bollinger Band breakouts, right? Keltner channels. I can teach you all of those things. I just need to know what you all feel would be the best to learn. So with that being said, I'm signing off. I'll ask, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, share this with your friends, family, loved ones, or anybody that you know that is looking for a mentor. Hit me up. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, and thanks for joining me.